My name is Ernest Lewis, born with poverty, struggled through school and graduated with a second class in business administration, yet no job. I see my mates who graduated with past driving luxury cars, yet I stuck on the streets of the town daily in search of a job. I ask again, what kind of a life is this?
Idiot, Mumu! Go die for your ass!
Hey, Oga. Hey, Osaro, my guy.
Osaro, wait. Oga, give me my rent. Which one be Osaro? What's the... My papa leave this house for me and you.
Calm down, I will pay you,
I reach the house for your pa.
You know be so, but I will pay you. Just calm down. Osaro.
Bros, which one be all this I will pay you? See, I don't like this, oh. Which one be, because me and you, they do this party thing, they take me for granted.
As you know, say, I be your party. Osaro, if you calm down for me now, I go pay you now.
You go pay when?
You need to give me time. All these kind of shout with they shout for me.
Give you time, when? When you want pay my money? Is it that you pay the money now, or you go get 4 See, give me the money. Come back here. Because I'm a joke.
Osaro.
No, because I'm a joke. This is so. Warn yourself.
Osaro, calm down now. You will be my person. Why you can't hold me like this?
Which kind of person? You they use me they plan.
Oh, yeah, no vex.
Wait, tell me. This house, I rent it for your pa. No, my pa leave am for me and you.
No be so. Okay, no vex. Osaro, no vex.
Which kind nonsense with this?
That's why you won't come take come on my eye. You will be my guy. Okay, no vex. I go pay you by month end. Just give me time now.
You go pay me by month end. Warn yourself and they warn you.
Osaro, this kind of thing.
See, I'm month end now. I give you.
Osaro.
If you don't pay the money, you'll get food.
Yeah. Osaro, this kind of thing.
I don't tell you.
Is this the best life can offer me? What have I done?
Thank you.
Mommy, you see, I just need you to please borrow me small money like 5 to 10,000 naira. Let me use it and offset a project I just thought about. Because you see, I need capital. So I just said that I should just come and ask you to please just borrow me like maybe 5 to 10,000 naira.
3 years after graduation, I should borrow you money.
Mommy, why are you talking like this now? Just calm down. Forget about 3 years.
Just go and get a job. The money I sold from bitter leaf and the one I borrowed is what I use in training.
Exactly, Mama. I'm just saying now that the same way you borrow to start this bitter leaf, borrow me
Don't get me wrong. I did not borrow to start the bitter leaf. I borrowed to pay your school fees. And for the years you were in school, your sister sat down at home.
What is it now, Mama?
Because we thought when you become a graduate, you will start work and alleviate the suffering of this family.
What do you expect of her? That's the best way she can show her pain. Hey, let me tell you the truth. She just wants to push you. She wants the best out of you. She wants you to come up as a man.
Mr. Ernest Lewis, you have very good credentials here.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. I am very grateful. I really appreciate. Sir, you see, the capacity is there. Yes. It is just the opportunity. Okay. You know. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
But still, you lack the required experience needed for the job.
Sir, experience is not a problem. You see, experience is actually not a problem because I'm a fast learner. I'm a fast learner, sir. I will learn on the job. Okay. Sir, you see, I'm a very fast learner. Okay. But you see, if you don't give me the job, how will I have enough experience for the job? So please, I need this job.
No, Mr. Louis, I'm
Yes, sir.
sorry you can't get this job.
Why, sir?
Please, I cannot change the company's policy.
Forget the company's policy. Sir, I am very capable. I just need the opportunity to get
Mr. Louis,
this.
I'm sorry you cannot.
No, you cannot be sorry. No, calm down, sir. Sir, calm down. Calm down. I really need this job. If you don't give me this job, where else will I go to? No, wait, calm down. No, calm down.
Mr. Louis.
Esther. Are you blind?
I'm so sorry.
Are you blind?
I'm so sorry.
Look at my body.
I'm so sorry. Honestly, I didn't see the water. Something else was just in my mind.
Can you say you didn't see this kind of big water right here? Look at.
I'm sorry.
What was all this now?
Please.
Look at me. Look at all my documents.
I'm so sorry. Please, let me drop you off.
Drop me off where?
To wherever you're going to.
Please,
I
don't
beg you,
worry.
please, let me drop you off. Let me drop you off, please. I'm so sorry. I don't know what really came over me. I did not see the water.
It's okay. Thank you. This place is all right. I appreciate you. Thank you.
But are you sure? Like, I can take you to the front of your house.
No. Don't worry. The road to our house is somehow. Let me just leave me here. I will walk. I will get to the house. Thank you. Okay. I really appreciate everything you've done for me today. The clothes, the everything. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
That's okay. I'm happy I could put a smile on your face. You needed to see how you looked when I splashed you the water.
It's okay. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you.
Why don't we do this again tomorrow?
Again?
Yes.
I don't mind though. In fact, because this food you gave me to eat, I can't remember the last time I ate such. Okay, no problem.
You have my number now, so just ring me when you're free. Okay?
I will.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Ernest, I want you to have this. Okay?
For
Have
me?
it. Yeah, have it.
After all these things you've bought for me, you still give me money?
Yeah, it's all yours.
You won't be splashing water on me every day like this. Thank you very much.
You're
God bless
welcome.
you.
You're
I really appreciate it. Thank you. My God. This woman is just an angel. Sent by God. With this money, my house rent is settled. If wishes were horses, there and then, I began to wish that every day God will send an angel from heaven to meet my immediate needs. Food, house rent, and clothes. Hello?
You're not picking your calls. Is somebody there with you?
I just stepped out of the bathroom when I heard the phone ring, so I rushed down to pick it.
Oh, so you're not wearing anything? As in, anything?
I'm wearing my towel.
Oh, that is, I can imagine the 6 packs and the longer thin.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't tell me you don't like it raw. So, how long is it?
What are you doing now?
Oh, on my nightwear, in my bedroom, about to go to sleep.
And what about your husband?
I don't want to talk about him now. He's there on his wheelchair.
And your kids?
I've got a daughter and she schools abroad.
Okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you find me attractive? As in, I being your sugar mommy and you be my sugar boy? You know, satisfy my sexual appetite? I promise to give you the whole world.
Well, as long as you're going to ensure that I do not lack a thing and you give me everything I need. Sure, why not?
Oh, thank you. Thank you, sugar. All right, darling. Good night. Okay.
Body will begin to eat glasses. I am telling you, it's that bad, man. I tell you something, you laugh. Grass will go begin to.
No, come on, it doesn't go to that. Because let me tell you, see, my brother. You see, we are Nigerians. We are die-hard Nigerians, and we will survive. Yes.
Hold on. You just said we. Who are the we?
We, everybody.
My brother, leave we.
Yes, now.
Say me, which one be we? We how? Eh? The abroad where you did, I don't enter your head too. How? You know it's who they face here.
How do you mean? Come on, I'm a full-blood Nigerian. I'm a Nigerian boy now, come on.
So mad. Bed, babe, I have to. Did you see Jude the way he was spraying money like a guy?
I collected his number.
Jesus, already?
Yeah, I collected his number. I have to. Let me show you his pictures.
Yes. You see somebody saying 1 million.
Me, what are we drinking?
I don't know.
Call them.
Barman! Show me, Joe. Just now.
It's where you see everybody running on the street and everything. Nothing works in this country.
Anything soft. Soft
Yeah, I'll do.
Because of last night's hangover.
Girl, you bad. What's he safe? That's so cool. So what are you guys talking about?
I was supposed to tell you that.
Ernesto!
That's my mom!
It's good to see you, man.
You look good!
Oh, man, it's good to see you, man. Welcome back.
You see, this guy was talking about this economy issue in Nigeria. Come on, you guys don't look it.
Oh.
See how you look good,
My
bro.
guy, leave that thing. Maybe you are blind or close to blind because I'm telling you, if you know the amount of trek I've trekked this city for the past 3 months, this country is sick.
Come on.
Sick in the head.
Well, you don't look it now.
Okay. Just put oil, shine your face.
You understand? Just for wash. I tell him, say, man, very soon we'll go finish station, there'll be no fuel.
Man, come on, what's still the
Telling you.
giant of Africa, bro?
Giant.
Come on. So, brother, do you want to take something? Or you join us on this one?
I don't mind. Let me just get
You want to join us?
Yes, a glass.
Bama! Get us a glass cup, please. For my main man.
Kevu.
For my main man.
Kevu.
I miss you, bro. I miss you guys, man. Miss you guys. Good to be back, bro. Good to be back.
Yeah. You know, like
Yeah.
I was saying, man,
Let's
you
get
you have good structure there now. It's not easy for us here.
Let's go. He's outside.
What about my drink?
Oh, drop it, let's go.
Okay.
Get up. Let's go.
Okay.
I'm coming. Okay?
I know.
Hey, handsome. Call me, okay?
You know,
Mona see me see trouble. What am I supposed to do with her name and number?
Come on, shut up there. What are you saying?
What am I supposed to do with this?
Look at this guy. Look, see, this is what happens in the UK. This is how it happens. The UK. Just like that. That's how white girls behave
I
now.
don't even need to the UK to know what happened. What am I going to do with this? You stand bath. Somebody give you name and number, you're not supposed to save it.
Are you serious?
But come to think of it, why be saying that you this girl get this number? When I'm here, you know I've always told you, say you're looking for job, you're looking for job. You're supposed to dey work with all these girls.
Hey, guy, relax.
Now your job is this.
Now let me tell you. There's something you don't know. In the UK, like, girls in general, they like fine, quiet guys. Yes. Even if you look this guy in a way, he looks quiet, you know.
Yeah, but we be the try before. I don't know.
But you know, the way they did, I don't see your
head. Let me cap.
Bado.
No
If
no problem.
If the rough for you, since I will kill her.
My guy, make I rush go office. I need to. No. If I finish, I know if you continue working.
We don't come. We don't come.
Who get job? Who protect her? Make I go work. You know say you just come. Who will get small job? Who will protect her? Make I no go begin trek 2 hours.
As my brother,
I greet you.
Take care. All right. Yes, my brother.
Man, how's you keep, man?
We were good, but man, because the marriage, man, I had to just come back, come run for 1 or 2 things. Yeah. Let's discuss with my dad of my business. Now I'm running the business over there. That's it.
You know better. Now when you say you can still get whatever you want from your parents. But for people like us, we will hustle, we will have to work hard.
Meg, calm down. I spoke to him and he said he's on his way.
So how long are we waiting?
Meg!
Don't make me.
I'm stressed.
I'm not.
Oh, hi! I'm over here.
This guy is cute.
Take your eyes off my man. Hello, darling.
Don't worry about that. Thank you.
Meg, meet my new bubble. Meg, my childhood friend.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you release the other hand so that we can greet better?
Oh, sorry.
My dear, how are you?
This one has been taken. You get yours. Please don't break my heart.
Look, you're a very nice person. And it shows that you're willing to take care of me. So why will I want to hurt you? I won't.
Thank you. That reminds me.
Yes.
My friend will be having a birthday party this Saturday.
Oh.
And she needs some, cute, handsome sugar boys for the party.
Of course, that won't be a problem. It will only cost her.
Like how much?
50K each. That's the agency fee.
No problem, I will tell her.
Alright, No problem.
Okay. So,
All right, darling.
see you later. Mwah.
My God. So, this kind of business have been existing and I knew nothing about. Just one night. Look. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. I will need to get myself a laptop. Yes, a laptop. And I need to make some changes in this room. You know, set it up real nice. Upgrade it. And I will have to open a website. Yes, I will call it sugarbanana.com. 300,000. Okay. I will have to open an account. 1. And then on that website, if you are looking for sugar mommy that is hot, sexy, beautiful, and has money, just call 080. No, not call. SMS only. No. WhatsApp only. WhatsApp, so that I can be seeing pictures while I'm auditioning.
Ernest, I just have a look in my head right now. Yeah? Can you imagine that target stuff I told you about? My boss is on my neck. Yeah? Because of this nonsense target issue. And now I have heard that the deadline is in 2 weeks. So if I don't meet up, that means I will lose my job. What kind of rubbish is this? I mean, I don't understand why people will just be so heartless and mean. And Ernest, what kind of rubbish is this? Huh? No, if you tell me say what they talk, I know that didn't make sense. Instead of you to just did press your phone while they explain something to you. Why you act up like this?
Sorry, man. Sorry, I was engrossed in this chat.
Can you imagine? No, see what jobless they don't turn you to. Person will get job, they complain about something. You will not get job, they see you are engrossed. How?
Who is jobless? Me?
But brother, you're not only jobless. That joblessness now is beginning to affect your head. You are beginning to run mad.
Magnus, you are back from your office, right? This is my own office.
This is your own office. You know what? I don't know why I decided to waste my time talking to you. Let me just go and look for a way to solve this my target issue instead of stopping myself.
Hey, wait. Did you just say target?
Yes, now.
How much are you looking at here?
Listen, please, this is a joke. Just stop it. I'm not talking about 300, 500 naira, 200 naira beer. You're talking about it. I'm talking good money. You're talking. Even if I tell you now, can you give it to me? Have you ever seen money in your life?
How much?
Okay, well, let me just tell you because you just asked. 3 million naira.
I can get that for you by next week.
Heneki, they hair like this. 1, 2, 3. I don't do 2, don't do 1. Where is the man? Let them give you.
Calm down.
No, it's okay. I understand. You need more bottles.
Calm down.
I'm talking about 3 million. You give me next week. How?
Calm down. You know what? There's a party this Saturday, and there's this certain rich woman. Read my lips. She is very, very, very loaded. Okay? All she needs is a young, handsome guy like yourself who can play game.
Are you trying to say she needs a toy boy?
Well, She needs a young boy to play with, and you need a 3 million naira in your bank account, which is going to help you to offset whatever deadline it is that you have.
So what you're trying to say is, if I play a game, she might help me get this target. Yeah.
Yes.
Give me a number.
Are you?
No, give me a number. Give me
Calm down, calm down.
Okay, no,
first.
just text me a house address.
No, calm down, just hold on.
Is she the one you're chatting with?
Calm down.
No, just give me the number now. Just give me.
Oh, I say calm down.
Give me, just save her.
Hey, yo, but I'm the boss now, right?
No, you be the boss now.
I'm the boss
You're
now.
the chairman.
So let them give you a drink.
Road. Road.
Yes, sir. So are you okay?
Yes, thank you, Ruth. Thank you. I'm okay with the fruit. Go and get some of my drugs.
But Madam says you should finish the food before I give you drugs.
I said I am okay with the fruits. I am okay. I can't take anything again. Go and get me my drugs.
Okay, sir.
Come, Ruth.
Sir.
Did my wife tell you where she was going to?
She said she was going on a business trip.
I've been calling her. She refused to pick.
Probably she's not by her phone. Let me get the drugs, sir.
Ruth.
Sir.
Come. Sit down. Ruth.
Sir.
Do you think my wife is having an affair?
Yes, Oga, she's having an affair with other men. Yes, true. You know tell Oga the truth. Why you don't want to tell that man the truth?
You won't shut up now before your mouth will make you lose your job.
Which job? I will forget that thing. Tell Oga the truth.
Why are you accusing her wrongly? Have you caught her in the act before?
I never see her, but they see madam or they receive call. They use her, they pluck flower around compound. When you see woman like that, you know say na love they catch her.
This is so interesting. After all, it's better than 419. It says I'm into supplies. Yes, I'm a contractor. I don't collect money by tricks. That makes my business legitimate. I simply need human sexual need.
Hello? Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, it is. It is. First, you have to register to the company, and then you send me your pictures and your email. But registration fee will cost you 50,000 naira. What are you talking about? Listen, my friend, that is the fee. Look, after that is done, the sugar mommy would now be known to allocate to you. So you have to pay. You should be sorry. You should be sorry. All right. Now we can chat. All right, now you're talking. Okay, I'll send you my bank details. My clients are calling already. Hello, Magnus. How far? I beg, I go need your account number now. Please, someone needs to send money into it. Please, just send it to me. Write it to me now, I beg. I will open my own. I will open my own account. Guess what the name will be? Magnus, guess what? You go send the account, but just guess. Sugar Banana International.
Okay, I've seen everything. It's really nice. But I just want to do jewelry today, so this is beautiful. So I'll give you 3,000.
No, fine.
3,000 is what I have.
Okay.
Let me just wrap this up tonight.
Right.
Alright, thank you. I'll come back for the other one as well. Okay.
Tell me, it's not funny.
Hello, my dear.
Tell me. Hey!
Babe, I've never had it that rough in the last 7 years. Hey! Machine!
That's why you're shining. See how fresh you look. Hey! You see, that's why I like these young, fresh leaves. Know how to press the button at the right place.
Mom! Hey!
I envy you, Sha. I envy you, Sha. Sounds like friend to shine. Hey!
No, I care less. So, if that husband of mine wants to die in the wheelchair, I don't care.
I care less too. That's my miserable, useless husband. Do you know that once this man climbs 1 minute, and he will be breathing as if he ran 100 miles. Very miserable fool.
Hey. Where's this girl? You, hey, come. Get me airtime quickly, okay?
How much, ma'am?
8,500. Come. And come. We pay. Alright? Quickly, go. Hey.
No be just matter. As you're shining like this, no be just matter. See. I hope you told your guy that I need that kind of guy too that will be taking care of me.
Yes, I did now.
Hey.
Do you know what I even used in storing his name on my phone? Hey, my sugar banana.
Hey. Sugar
banana.
Banana join them.
Hey! Anyway, he says the agency that organizes the guys, you have to pay for it.
That one is not the problem. Hey, let him just get me someone that will be warming this machine. You know what I'm saying?
No problem. Sure, I would.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, babe.
Hey, Siri, what's up? Is the food ready yet?
Not yet. How you doing?
Just trying to sort some things out. What?
You know, you still haven't told me what you do for a living.
Well, I'm a contractor. Majorly, I do supplies. Well, okay. I connect rich ladies who are sexually starved to young guys who would satisfy them in bed.
What?
What?
Oh, wait. You're kidding me, right?
No, I'm not.
Like, how do you do it? Like, I don't understand.
Through that thing right there. All I just have to do is create a platform on the blog and then make them register and connect.
Okay.
Okay, come here. You see, I never knew this business was such a lucrative one. Sugar mummies everywhere. I mean, so many rich, sex-starved ladies who are looking for a young blood to, you know, play with sexually and sometimes to have serious relationships with. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah, it is.
So, is it just sugar mommies you do? What about old rich men who want young blood? Like, you like it, huh?
Really cool.
So, can we do this more often?
Hello?
Yes, hello? Yes, Ernest. Why are you not picking your calls, you bastard?
I'm actually busy. I'm in the middle of something right now. I'll call you back, okay?
It is that thing that you are doing that will kill you. Yes. Hello? Ernest.
Sorry, darling. Some customers can be very frustrated and then they begin to act funny. Yeah, you were saying?
You know, you haven't really said anything about us. And I noticed you don't have a girlfriend, so can I?
No. Amanda, you see, I know you're a very nice girl, but you see, I can't give you all those things you're asking for. Love, affection, it's...
Oh, please, call the crap, Ernest. What do you take me for? A sex toy? Oh, please. Okay, maybe you can talk to my madam about
Okay, let me see her better. Thank you.
All right.
Madam, I told your girl to give me the... Madam. Sorry, were you saying something? Yes, ma'am. I told her to give me this for 6,000 and this one for 3,000. So how much is the last price? How much did she give you?
She said 10, this one 6.
That is the price. If you know you cannot pay, please just drop it and go.
Is that how you talk to your customer?
I said drop it and leave! If you know you cannot pay! Drop it and leave my store!
Look at you. I can see you are really sick.
You are mad. Come on, get away from us! Cynthia!
Nonsense.
Look at this stupid girl. I don't want to see people like this in this shop again. Is that clear? Rubbish! Rubbish! Nonsense! Cynthia. Am I really mad?
Oh yes, I'm serious. Get your hands off me.
Come on! What if I tell you I can hook you up with someone who will take care of you?
I'm not a prostitute.
I never said you were. How about I get you someone who can give you 50,000 naira?
I said I am not a prostitute.
How about 200,000 naira?
200.
Mm-hmm. And it can also continue depending on how well you twerk for him.
I'm gamed.
Your game?
Yeah, I am. But tell them I don't do checo.
No, they do cash. Trust me. And things can even get better. Of course, you know, you and I getting to do more business together in future.
Good Joe. You're such a bad boy. You won't change.
I know.
Ernest, how could you? How could you see my calls and ignore it?
You slapped me?
Ernest, don't dare me. If you do, I'm going to roast you in this town. Try me.
Okay. All right. Fine. No problem.
Where are you going to?
I'm going home.
Ernest, I'm telling you, you're not picking my calls and you say you're leaving.
And I said I am going to my house.
Ernest, I'm sorry. Ernest, I'm sorry. You pushed me.
And that's why you slapped me? That's why you slapped me?
Ernest, I'm sorry. I was scared I was going to lose you. Not until you accepted I meet you up here. Ernest, I love you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's all right. I was arrested by my landlord.
What? What did you do?
I owe him 3 months now.
3 months? And because of that, he arrested you? Why didn't you tell me?
What kind of a stupid question is that? No, what kind of a stupid question is that? Didn't I tell you that I needed money?
Ernest, but I thought it was for the car I promised you.
What about the car, Seth? What about the accommodation? I need to look nice. I need to eat good food. I need money, don't you get it?
Ernest, calm down. It will all be sorted out. I came with some money, okay? It will all be sorted out. Calm down, darling. Sugar, I love you. Come give me a hug. Come, darling, come.
People say the opposite of love is hate, but they are so wrong. It is selfishness and lies. Deception and greed are it. She says she loves me, but I know it's for a purpose.
Sugar boy, come on. You're too far from me. Come on, don't tell me you're tired.
Baby, I'm really bothered.
Bothered? What's bothering you? Talk to mommy. I'm here for you. Come on.
You know, I'm supposed to start a business and I need about 5 million naira.
5 million naira.
I'm telling you, and I do even have anything close to that. Because I am not happy at all.
It's okay. That's no problem. I'll give you 2 million tomorrow. What about that? I'll give you the balance next week.
Oh, baby. Are you serious? Are you joking?
Come on, you know I don't joke with things like that. I don't joke with your matters. know how much I love you. You always make me feel like a woman.
Come here, let me give you some more licky.
Highly needed.
I'm even thinking of moving to a bigger place. Yeah, you know, somewhere maybe in GRA.
GRA? Brother, moving to a bigger place, I know you have money. But GRA, that's where your money come long. That's like too much money, man.
Well, let's just say that business is booming.
It's very clear. Business is booming. Because GRA, my brother, GRA is expensive. You know, that's where big boy stays now.
Meet with them, you know, relate with them, and then afterwards try and keep a consistent relationship with them.
Hold on. See this lady. See her call. You see this lady breast.
Well, calm down.
This is not the kind of meat what I eat.
Reduce your voice, she might hear you.
I don't care. You know, since the last time I had an encounter with that lady, my urge for this kind of lady just increased. As I did here, I feel like licking her.
Just shut up your mouth there. You better calm down. That is not how it is done.
I knew. I've been expecting this statement. Because you always feel like you're the only one with the magic lines. My brother, I'll shock you now. Watch. Hi. Hey, shut up. Leave her now. Now you're high. Hello? Hello? Hi. Ah, shit. She killed me. She responded.
Nah, lie, she no respond. She respond. Nah, lie, she no respond. Come here. Where they go? Oh, what?
Hi. How you doing? Can I sit down? Actually, my name is Magnus. I just observed you from afar, and I said to myself, this is my kind of lady. Listen, if you let me into your world, I swear to God, I'm going to make you feel so good. Listen, I will lick every part of you. I am not just saying it. I will lick you, I will take care of you. I will your eyes, everything about you.
You're here.
Hey, young man. Young man.
Can't you see I'm all dressed up? Eh? I can't do that now.
Oh my God, a little why? A little why are you this wicked? Eh? I never treated you bad when I was well and sound.
I don't know why you are making all these things. Why not just whip yourself in and...
My wife, I am blessed. Please, why not help me?
What is this now? Eh? Look at this stupid man. Why not just die? Eh? Why not die? Just die. Ruth! Ruth! Come here, come here!
Madam, it's not his fault.
Crazy. Did I ask for your opinion?
Sorry.
You want to snatch him, right? Shut up! Get out of here.
Shut up!
I miss you more. I miss you more. How are you? Okay, you're still in this wheelchair. Oh my god. Where is my mom? She went out. Oh my god.
She's never at home. Never. If not for these two people, I would have been in that place.
Oh my god. Thank you so very much for taking care of my dad.
Don't mention. Daddy Monso here is our daddy. When I came into this house, I was so thin. Daddy Monso has been feeding me, feeding us. Look at the way I am. Daddy Monso, I'll be alive.
Wait a second. Are you saying my mom doesn't care for my dad? Dad, why did you tell me this all this while?
Because I wanted to concentrate on your story. I don't want to bother you with all this.
So it's true?
Yes.
Mom abandoned you for a maid and a gate man?
No, nobody be gate man here now. We are all one family, one big family. Daddy Monso, I lie. Your mom no dey stay house at all. Now Ruth, they do everything.
What does she do?
Ruth go take care of Daddy Monso, go cook for her. Carry her go. I lie. The only thing your mama they do for this house na to paint nose, paint eye.
It's okay. This nonsense must stop. Ruth!
I'm here.
My mom is still not back. What's happening? I want to know everything that's been happening in this house. My mom, what's happening?
I don't really know much, but all I know is she goes out early in the morning, comes back late in the evening. Sometimes she doesn't even come for days and she will tell us that it's business trip. That's all I know.
Really?
Yes.
For me, I go talk the truth. See, if I see another man don dey water your papa tomato farm.
Wait, I don't get it. Is my dad a farmer? Does he have a tomato farm in Nigeria?
All these Oyibo children. You will understand now. I mean say another man don dey park motor put for your papa garage.
I don't understand, I don't get it.
Okay, the thing where you want know, you will know. Your mama don dey follow another man. Let me make her talk the truth.
How did you know this?
When your mama will just come inside the compound, go just perform for ear, begin la kwa. She no will go upstairs. 30 minutes she still dey phone. They la kwa like politician wey win election. When you see woman like that, you know say na love. Now they do that kind of thing. And Oga Daddy Monso, it be like saying don't win.
It's okay, that's enough. I don't believe it. Thank you.
Okay, me don't talk my own.
This your mouth. It will land you from jail.
I better come up for here. Person go talk true, go land for jail. If na truth go carry me go jail, make I go. Baba God dey see me.
Sorry, my phone battery was flat. I couldn't come to the airport to pick you. Just hold it there. Look at the time. Look at the time you're coming in. So is that how you'll be doing it? I don't know what you're saying. Why are you so wicked and shameless? Do you think I don't know what you'll be doing to my dad? You abandon him and you constantly humiliate him and treat him like trash just because he's paralyzed? How could you be so callous?
Charlotte, you're talking to your mom like this. Is everything
not okay with you?
You ceased to be my mother from the day you decided to fall in with another man.
Charlotte!
Cut this drama. Enough. I'm going back to the UK and I'm taking that with me. Charlotte! Charlotte, come back here!
Oh my God.
Magnus! See clean up! See clean up! Well, I don't do. I won't go buy food from my gym when it's over. Can't say.
Boy, this light issue. When you light to nothing. I real one. Nigeria don't spoil. Finish everything. Just scatter. Everything spoil.
Well, I better go inside now.
No. Wait now. Don't you say like today? We walk you with heat. Just like you see me say I'm fresh. Man, I go dive on you.
Magnus, my guy.
How far now?
That's
I got good news for you. I have been promoted. Yes. They're not promoting and you talk like this. Hey! You be promoted! I can't be promoted! Come on! Like, wait till you don't talk like that. No. I get plans. Let me come now. I go wash ground. I go flex. Yeah, I go do something. But before they are talking, I say make I officially come tell you thank you. Brother, thanks for everything. I really appreciate it. Oh, come on, Magnus. Why do you talk like this?
This is how I got myself a car, rented this duplex and a new me. Within 6 months, my frustrated life has transformed tremendously. Sure, this is a very good business. I'm so loving my job.
Cynthia!
Ma.
So you heard your name and you did not answer?
I did not hear you.
Where is the transaction for last week? That of Mrs. Ochuku.
I wrote it on the other book.
Go get it from me, stupid girl! Come on, go get it!
Oh, I'm here. Hello, who is in here? Your sis and me.
Wow.
Send me.
Wow.
Yay, I'm back.
When did you come back from Dubai?
Last night, baby.
Wow. Now, what for you, sir? You didn't even call me to tell me you were coming.
I thought I told you the last time we talked.
No, you didn't.
I'm back.
Wow.
Here is it, Ma.
Come on, get away. You can see I have someone here. All these girls, I don't know what is wrong with them. My dear. Look at you. Wow.
Have a good look. What do you say? Beautiful.
Look golden.
It was not only cool love, but I had fun.
Hope you brought my stuff.
Of course I did. But it will come in next week.
Good.
Now gist me. What has been happening around? I hope I've not missed much. Yeah.
Your girl is dying slowly. That's my boy, Ernest.
Ernest. Your sugar banana. Your sugar. Ah, you guys have gone to a different level. Just me.
Ernest is now a pain in the ass. Ernest has now grown wings. Ernest now shouts at me.
Are you kidding me? You're kidding me, right?
I'm not.
What?
Picking my calls. The most painful thing now is that Ernest moved out of the house without my notice. Immediately I bought him a car.
What? You need to teach that brat a lesson. What rubbish? He did what? What nonsense is this? What rubbish?
Where can I find him? Where can I find him? My problem now is just to get him off my head so I don't go crazy. I'm losing it.
You saw that?
Please.
You saw that?
Stop.
Coming, she coming. It's warm.
Oh, stop it. Stop. I love you.
Love you too.
I miss you.
Oh, darling. I miss you more.
No, don't lie. You've been enjoying yourself with my friend. You think I don't know?
Why'd you say that? I haven't even seen her in weeks.
I was only pulling your legs. I went to her shop today. I stopped by.
Oh yeah? How's she?
She's mad. We have to be careful, okay?
Forget about her. I know how to handle her when I want to. Yes, I do.
And what about me?
Oh, come on. What you mean about me?
Leave my leg, leave my leg. What about me? Don't lie.
We be the baddest. I rap, I sing, I come MC, I go on the show, I back fancy, I go on the club, I pop something. Every girl's mommy go and buy something.
Hey, Kalu, man. I hope it wasn't difficult to get in the States. Nice one. It's good to see you, man. Come in, come in, come in. Come, sit. Come. Come in. What?
Wait a minute. Whose script is this?
Well, it's mine. Everything right here is mine. Come on, sit down.
Yours?
Yeah.
No. Wait. How did you do it?
Well, let's just say business has been booming. Please sit. Come on, Calvin. Sit down.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh. Hi, pretty lady. Oh my goodness. How you doing?
I'm okay.
I see, and it has eyes for good things. Beautiful.
My God. This is my best friend, Calvin. He just got back from the UK.
Wow.
Calvin, this is my girl, Amanda.
Amanda.
Yes.
Beautiful name.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Sure.
Oh.
So what should I get you to drink?
Hey, bro. The drink can wait.
Are you sure?
Yes. The drink. No, tell me. No, hold on. Did you rob a bank? You are into Yahoo now. I know that's what Nigerian boys do these days. Oh, okay. You're into money rituals. Now tell me, come on. How does that people they do all this kind of shit? Look at this chairs, man. Wow. No, don't laugh. You don't have to laugh. It's not a laughing matter, bro. Do you know what? Because the last time I checked, anytime I call you from the UK, you always sound moody, dejected, busted, and frustrated.
Sorry, guys. Excuse me, okay?
All right, Tanya.
Oh my. Bro, now tell me. How do you mean this money?
Oh, man. Well, let's just say I'm a contractor and I do supplies.
Contractor?
Yes.
Hey, Ernest, you know I'm your brother.
Sure.
I'm your man. This is Kelvin, you know me. This is Kelvin, bro.
Go ahead, man.
Tell me the fact. Let me in, bro.
Magnus has even been transferred to Port Harcourt now. Huh?
Yeah. And he said they even promoted him. Yeah.
He's a smart guy.
He's smart. That's good for him. Good for him. Ernest, seriously speaking, I want in.
In?
Yes.
Into what?
Man, I need a sugar mommy that can pay me real good. Good money.
Are you really sure? Are you really ready for this kind of business? Because it requires a lot of energy.
Did you say energy?
Yes.
Ernest, can't you look at me? You think all these things are for my level? I'm ready. I have the strength. Check me out now, guy.
Well, most times, these women, they just, they need affection. Someone who can constantly service them. And others, all they just need is, you know, a little bit of hug till they fall asleep. And sometimes, some of them just would need someone who would wash their plates clean.
Wait, did you say wash their plates?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I'm ready to lick anything. I'm ready. I'm game.
Okay. Excuse me. Yeah, hello. Yes, she is in room 306. Yeah, she's already expecting you. All right. Have a nice time. Good. And hey, listen. Look, you really have to step up your game. Huh? You have to step up your game and learn to make more money. I don't want to ever hear you say ever again that someone is too old. You lick it! Lick it!
Hey bro, what was that about?
That's how I make my money, man.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Just like that.
How was that?
This is a very clean business now. Very clean.
Yeah.
No 419. At all. It's not even Yahoo, this internet fraud they are doing on these boys.
You can say that
It's
again.
a clean business, brother. Ernest.
Eat your food.
Licking things. You.
Johnson or whatever that your name is. What's the meaning of that? No, don't call me. What? But I told you. Look, the woman was not happy at all. She was just complaining. You guys will be looking for a job, looking for money, and then they will hook you up with your contact, and then you mess it all up. No, don't call me again. My friend, I said don't call me again. The internet is a place for everything you can ever imagine. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Some make money from it, some comment, like, and follow their mates, while others simply display their foolishness, waste their time and money.
Cynthia, please come pack these things for my friend.
Alero, what is happening? Your store is getting too scanty these days.
That's okay. That's fine. Come. By the time you come next week, the whole place will be filled up. Just
it's okay. Let's I forget.
Yes.
I saw your friend Meg last week.
Oh, Meg.
Said she's moving into a new apartment with her toy boy.
No. Since she came back, I've only seen her twice. She said she was busy with some new project.
Project indeed. It's the toy boy that is taking her time.
I wish her good luck.
That was how I saw one sugarbanana.com on the internet. I gave it a try. Like a joke, they sent me a mail. Before you know it, they gave me a call.
Don't fall for them. Don't try it at all. Before you know it, they will take advantage of your kindness and wreck you dry.
I have, oh, I have. This guy came like one innocent reverend father. Before you know it, 2 million naira was already out of my account. The moment I gave him the money, he disappeared.
You don't say.
That is why I want you to talk to Meg. She's your friend. Tell her, warn her to be careful with these boys.
That is our own cup of tea. We all buy what we want from the market.
This boy, I will deal with you in this town. I will show you. I will let you know I'm not the type you can toy with. Thank God I still have your pics on my phone.
Picture? Let me see. Ernest.
You know him too?
Ernest. This is the bastard that wrecked me. This is the bastard that wrecked me dry. I was only lying to you. This is the bastard that has finished all my money. Look at everybody. Oh my God.
Of that nonsense. Do you think I plucked money from the tree? What a shameless and disappointing child you are.
Dad, see, I just need little money to bounce back to business. That's all I have.
What
don't
money?
you want to give me?
I did not inherit anything from my parents. All I have today, I worked hard for them. If you want money, work and get the money.
You're my father, and it's your responsibility to take care of me.
I am not father to a son who cannot do business. All you do is waste money. I don't have money for you. What nonsense!
I know you have this money. I know you don't want to help
Calm
me.
down. Why are you shouting? What
Woman.
is going on, Peter?
Talk to your son, else I'll throw him out of my house.
Nonsense. What's going on here? No, it's my fault. No, it's my fault that the business is not growing, and I just need little money to bounce back. And he doesn't want to give me. I know he has it. He doesn't want to give me.
I can't get it. How come you can't account for anything? How did the business just fall up?
Will you just shut up?
I will not shut up.
Oh, you will not shut up.
Hey!
I'll slap your head. What's going to say to just?
Calm down.
No.
Wait. Kevin, what has come over you? Who taught you how to hit a woman? Oh, you want to hit your kid sister because she is telling the truth?
Mom. Even you, Mom. Oh, no. So nobody wants to hear me out in this house. Nobody wants to hear me out. Okay. Oh, I see.
Calvo,
Hey, bro.
What's up, man?
Thank God you're here, man.
You sounded urgent on the phone. Is anything the matter?
Bro, I had a fight with my dad today. A big one, man. Serious, man. Serious.
I'm sorry about that. So what's up?
See, Ernest, I want to ask you this. I want to know why you are refusing to help a dying brother. Come on. See, I'm losing it. I need to bounce back with my business. You know these things now. See, I'm not asking to borrow any money. All I asking.
You see, you're like a brother to me. And I want to help you. But you see, the irony of it is that I don't want to give you a horse that I've ridden already. You understand what I'm saying? I want to give you something fresh. That if eventually...
Hey, bro. Hold it. I don't mind. Yes. I don't mind, bro. I need this thing. Come on. I don't mind.
Let me see. Aha. Yes, this one.
What is it?
Yeah, I think she's hot and sexy, but she really needs someone to be servicing her. You know, because she's been complaining that her husband, he doesn't perform as usual and has lost the fire. So
fire?
Yeah.
Did you say lost the fire? Now let me tell you. By the time I ride on her, by the time I ride her like a horse, she will keep complaining and looking for me. She will ask for more. That's what I'm talking about.
No problem.
Hey, can I see the picture? Let me know how she looks.
Let me just. No, it's against the law.
Oh, really?
Yes, it is. What I would do is I would get in touch with her and I'll keep you updated.
Good. You are the boss. You are the boss. Nice one.
As I said. That's what we're going to do.
Yeah. Bro. Go.
Okay.
Like, how much will she be paying me?
I don't know about that one. I don't know. It probably depends on how well you service her, or as you say, ride her like a horse.
Really?
Because I know she is loaded.
Based on that?
Yes.
You don't have a problem, man. That's my job. You are the boss.
Is anything the matter? Ernest is not home.
I didn't ask you anything. What are you doing in my man's house, you brat?
Your man?
Yes, my man. What are you doing in his house? Oh, wait a minute. What are you doing with this shirt I bought for my man?
What do you mean?
How dare you?
Huh? You slapped me? You shameless woman, a curse to womanhood. So, you're one of his sugar mummies.
What are you doing in my man's house? So you want to eat what your mother is eating? Now get up and carry your miserable body out of this house. Else I'm going to do something that you will regret. Get out!
If I don't?
if you don't.
Meg, what is it that you now have to call me to come out from my shop when you know I'm a very busy person? Eh? Oh, have you finally finished that special project that you now have time for me?
Alero, if you know what just happened, you won't be talking like this. I need your help. Alero, my husband...
Your husband has finally thrown you out and frozen your account.
Alero, how did you know this?
I warned you, but you went ahead to dare me. How could you? I was even complaining to you, thinking you were my friend.
Alero, so it was you. It was you that told my husband all those things and gave him all those pictures. Alero, why?
My eyes are on you and that bastard Ernest.
I thought we were friends. I never knew you were a scheming liar and a backstabber. Oh, thunder will strike you for this thing you did. In fact, you will suffer. For breaking my marriage, you will suffer.
It is you and your generation that thunder will strike. When you went behind my back to steal what belongs to me, you didn't know?
Alero. 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 Alero, please. For friendship's sake, go back to my husband and tell him that everything you told him were lies. Please, I beg you.
This is just the beginning. Your children will turn their backs on you, and your family will reject you.
Alero, please. Alero, please, I beg you, you've killed me.
I can't open it for you, please.
Open the gate!
Mama, please, I can't open it for you.
Hey, what's all this noise about? You, get out of there! Get out! Go to your post right now. Nonsense. Yes? What is it? Why are you shouting? No, why exactly are you making noise? The very last time I checked, this is still my house, and I reserve the right to refuse anyone entry or exit. Okay? Not even not with the drama you and Amanda tried here the other time. What?
Yes.
What is it? You said you wanted to talk. Okay. I'm listening.
You want us to talk here?
Yes. It is either we talk here or we fight about it. Because that's obviously what you do all the time. Yes. We have to talk about it or you fight about it. Yes?
My husband got to find out through Alero. He threw my things out. Can I please go in? This is our house.
Wait, calm down. Calm down. Take it easy. Let me understand you. Let me understand what you're trying to say. Your husband drove you away, right?
Yes, because of you. He has frozen my account. My things are all packed outside.
So you now want to come and live here with me? Huh?
Yes. Because I love you. This is our home.
Fiakwa! Hey! Ernest, I don't suffer. Fiakwa! God forbid. You are who? No. You are who? Hey, look. You had better wipe that crocodile tears off your face right now. Because as you are right now, I don't even know you. I don't know who you are. the next time you get here, it will be a case of, who is this?
Hello. Deborah, you need to come home quick. Yes, I mean early. I have a meeting to attend, so I need you to come home quick and do dinner. Yes. You know what to cook, right? Alright, love. Yeah. Be quick. Okay.
Man, that was harsh. But what should I do? Bring her into my house? Hell no. That chapter has closed. That fat ugly thing wants to marry me. Yeah, God forbid. Yes, hello? Hey, bro. Yes, sir. What's up? Okay, bro. No problem. Alright. Oh, Magnus is coming to town, man.
What's the meaning of that? Is that what kept you? Only Magnus come, doesn't come. That's his cup of tea. Guy, how far? Did you come in, man?
Calm down. Your blood today hot.
Hot, man. I'm ready.
Calm down. Look, the woman called me and said she's going to let me know when she's going to the hotel. Because she's trying to be careful. That she's a very careful person. And she told me that her husband is in town. Eh? Don't worry, she really needs it badly.
That's what she told you.
Oh, what are you saying? She even went as far as telling me that her husband, anytime she climbs her like this, under her 2 strokes, the show has finished. Look, I also promised her that what I'm sending is a machine.
A machine indeed.
Yes, now.
A machine indeed.
So,
brother, I am ready.
I
am fully ready. High voltage. See me. Eh? I will even. Okay.
Hello, madam. Sorry. Rose. Yes, he's ready. Okay. All right, no problem. Yes, I saw the alert. Thank you. All right. Have fun.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, what up? Please, I please.
Who do you want to see, sir?
The person is expecting me.
Okay, your name, sir?
Just say Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Yes. Oh, I can go in. Where's this? Okay.
The room by the left.
All right.
Hello, honey.
Mom? 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 Hey!
sir. Are you okay? What's the issue, sir?
No! No!
Oh, you're far from me. Come to the
Get me a bottle of anything.
So, what's the name?
You moron! You moron! What did you do? What did you do, nigga? What did you do, nigga? What did you do, my phone? Your man, kill it! Break your ass! Break your ass! Oh my God! Wait! Leave me! What did you do? You were sleeping with my mom. That woman in question is my mom! My mom! Oh my God!
It's okay, please. It's not enough place for you to kill him. Calm down, please.
My mom! It's not enough. It's not enough place for you to kill him. Calm down! Just calm down, wait.
Rookie, what is it?
Mommy. Dad, are you and Mommy having a fight?
No. I'm surprised at what you did me.
She's crying. Something must have happened to her. Let's go check.
Rookie! Rookie, open the door!
Mommy! Thank God you're back. Mom went to the house and she was crying. This poor baby, she will listen
Will
to
you get your filthy hands off me? I don't care if you die. Move!
Kill me!
Yes, that is the bastard. That is the car I bought for him. Boys!
Yes, madam.
Action!
Okay, madam.
Hello, toy boy. So this is how far you can run. We came to say hello. Boys! Be nice to him. Be nice to him. Yes! Deal with him! Yes! 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 Deal with him!
She come here with some boys, she come beat Oga. They blow up your face, they don't beat her mercilessly, Oga. Yes, seriously, Oga. Wow, you have walking away, Sira. Now, I want to go, you can't go hospital. Now, the hospital is really close to that junction. It's okay, fine. Don't worry.
Sweetheart. How was the night?
Oh, beautiful.
Good morning, Dad.
Hey, love.
Good morning, Ma.
How are you?
Baby girl, come here. How are you?
Deborah.
I'm cool, fine.
And your brother?
Who's that?
Your mother has still not told me what happened to her yesterday. Has she told you?
As long as you're happy, apologies accepted. Breakfast is served. Let's go eat.
And your brother?
He's still taking his bath.
Okay, you go. Let me see him. See, I'm a disgrace. I know. But please, I swear it was my first time.
Will you get your cursed hand off me? I cease to call you mother.
Give him, please. I deserve all the names in the world, but don't judge me. Don't.
Fine, fine. But I can't stand your presence anymore, and that's why I'm leaving this house. I'm leaving this house, leaving you, this family, to God knows where.
Oh, please, Kelvin, don't. God. You will hurt me the more if you leave. I'm begging you, please. We can sort this out, please.
Then confess.
What?
Yes. Yes. Tell my father, your husband, my sister, your daughter, what you were doing in that room.
I'm sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me, Peter, please. I'm sorry. Please. Kelvin, please forgive me. Deborah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Okay. Throw me out of the house if you want.
No, Mom. Say that.
Yes, Deborah. I deserve it. Cease to call me mother. Call me all the names in the world. It will still be okay to me. I have failed you. I'm a disgrace to this family. I am not worthy to be called wife or mother.
Mom, please get hold of yourself.
Oh, God. Oh, God. All right. Due to your father's old age, he no longer handles me in bed like he used to. Most times, he just won't rise. And he knew that I wasn't happy. But I still loved him. Peter, honestly, I love you. So, one day I saw this sugar mommy stuff on the internet. I registered with a fake name and a photo. I thought it was a joke until they began to send SMS to my phone. Believe me, I don't know what came over me. So, out of curiosity, I went. Honestly, it was my first time. In all honesty, believe me. In my my 28 years of marriage, I have never cheated on your father. I'm so sorry. Peter, please. Mom, my nails. I'm sorry, Peter.
Mom, it's okay.
I am sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Forgive me.
Forgive me.
Oh, God. I don't know what came over me.
Alero, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to show our daughter? That you're a good woman? Or that you're what? Please stop this pretense. Oh.
Do you want water? I know you don't want me anymore, and my daughter too. But just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I beg of you.
If this is the only way, I'm going to offend God. I am sorry. I will do it. I am not going to forgive you. Never! 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 I will never, ever forgive you.
I beg of you.
Dad, please, for my sake, forgive her. Please, I beg you.
Why are you doing this? Why? Why are you doing this?
I know. But please, she's still my mother after everything, and she's also your wife.
Why are you asking me for this, Charlotte? Okay, Charlotte. Charlotte.
I'm sorry.
My beloved daughter, you know I love you so much. There is nothing you ask me to do that I will say no to, but this one is too much. This is too much for me. Charlotte, do you want me to forgive her?
Yes, please.
And that will make you happy?
Yes, 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 please.
Oh, God. I've forgiven you. It's okay, I've forgiven you. One more your tears, I've forgiven you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've forgiven you. It's okay, I've forgiven you.
Thank you, Dad.
It's okay.
This is Lagos. This is Nigeria. I must survive. I must survive. I go make a move. I got to survive. I must survive. I must make a move. Every day is a hustle. Every day is a bustle. All to make ends meet. I got to survive. I must survive. I go make a move. If you no make them, family no regard you. If you no make them, your friends go discharge you. This life where we live, now who gets, then be everybody friend, no. No matter how you do it, no matter how you see it, man must to make it though. For Naija, I go hustle, I go bustle, because I must.